Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Everrange community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be touring a model home by Providence Homes. This is the Cypress floor plan. This floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,398 square feet. Now as shown, this one includes an additional full bath. All right, let's take a look inside. Here we are entering the foyer. Now this foyer features a large window here, allowing lots of natural light as you enter the home. To the left is a powder bath or powder room. Providence is building on 40 and 60-foot home sites. The Cypress would be built on a 40-foot home site. Be sure to check out my Morrison video, or the video of the Morrison model that goes on a 60-foot home site. All right, here we are at the kitchen. This kitchen features the Gourmet kitchen, where you're gonna have the microwave oven combo, the cooktop, and then designer vent above. Stacked cabinets. Now, if you're looking to build from ground up, you'd be able to customize the design options at the design center. You'd be able to choose the cabinet colors, flooring, countertops, laundry room here. And there is opportunity to build from ground up here at the Mariposa neighborhood with Providence Homes. If you're looking to work with a realtor and aren't working with one, I'd be happy to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now, I do not work for Providence Homes, but would love to assist you in the new construction process. All right, here we're entering the cafe. And this cafe is approximately 15 feet with 8 inches by 9 feet, 8 inches. And this living room features the vaulted ceiling. This is an available structural option. The family room or living room features, or the dimensions are 15 feet with 8 inches by 18 feet 4 inches. All right, before we continue our tour inside, let's take a look outside. Here we are in the covered patio. Features a summer kitchen, and there is a structural option to also have the covered patio be vaulted as well. Okay, and then over here we have the pool, and then a jacuzzi or spa. Okay, you can see the covered lanai there. And here you have a sitting area with a fire pit. And then there are some options that or home sites that back up to preserve or wooded area or water view. Let's continue our tour inside. Now, if your time frame for moving does not allow to build a home from ground up, there are opportunities here with homes under construction. All right, so you have the owner's suite downstairs and then the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Now this owner suite also features a vaulted ceiling. This is a structural option as well. And this owner suite is about 12 feet with 4 inches by 16 feet, 4 inches. Okay, and then of course, if you're customizing the home, you can choose the level of carpeting or no carpet, and have other type of flooring such as luxury vinyl plank. Here is the owner's bath. All right, and then this model features the standalone tub with a shower here, that there is a structural option to have this shower expand all the way to the wall there. Water closet here, walk-in closet, Okay, linen closet. Okay, and then 2 sinks here with a vanity in the middle. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Okay, wooden floors with metal railing. Okay, here we walk into the loft. How this loft area is approximately 16 feet by 15 feet, 8 inches. Transom windows there. Okay, here is the shared bathroom. Now this is the standard bathroom. Okay, shower tub combo. Linen closet here. And then bedroom 2. Now this bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 12 feet 4 inches. Okay, nice size closet. Two windows over here. And then that is the mechanical room. Next is bedroom 3. This one is staged as an office. Okay, another nice sized closet here in bedroom 3. Now here the builder has this opening here so you can see the spray foam insulation that they include with their builds. So you can see here. All right, and bedroom 3 is approximately 12 feet with 2 inches by 11 feet. And then we're heading into bedroom 4. Now bedroom 4 is 15 feet with 8 inches by 11 feet. And this one does include the ensuite bath structural option. This is the closet here. And then you have the ensuite bath, walk-in shower. You have 10 foot ceilings on the first floor, 9 foot ceilings on the second floor. And then we're back into the loft area. If you'd like more information on this floor plan, Providence Homes, or the Everrange community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.